how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2022 is not working. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video, and it should be easily fixable. So normally when you open up Spotify, you would get a pop-up if you open it for the first time today with your Spotify Wrapped 2022 is here. And if you don't see that, then it should be here for most people, right? But if that is not the case for you, then there's two methods in order to actually try and fix this. Now, the first one is to simply go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. And once you're there, search for Spotify. And if it says update instead of open, you should just update it. And hopefully that will fix it. If that doesn't fix it, then what you can do is simply restart your phone. Because 2 hours or 2.5 hours ago, when I tried it, it didn't show up here for me either. So I was like, wait, no, now I can make these videos. But then I restarted my phone and it was there. So super easy. I hope that should fix it. If that doesn't work still, then it might just not be available in your country yet. And you might just have to wait a little. So I hope this video worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.